years of development and a very long time of waiting, we have finally received the SiP Pordoi rim for the Vespa GTS. And in today's video, I'll show you what this thing is all about. Before we go into serious production with a product, we always start with the product idea. We sit down here in the creative room and think about what it is and what is not on the market. We think about possible designs for the upcoming product and also which features the product must have. Here, in the background, you can see a design sketch for the SiP Pordoi rim and how our whole design process looks like. It is important that a product not only fits well to the vehicle individually, but that the overall impression looks right too. When the team agrees on how the finished product should look like and which features it must have, then the whole thing is completely designed in a CAD program. After a certain time, we get a prototype. It can either be CNC milled aluminum or be produced as a 3D print, as with this current development product. The SiP Pordoi rim is available in a 12-inch as well as a 13-inch version. The optical features are mainly found in the design. If you look closely, the particularly striking features are the protruding rim well and the rectangular cutouts. We deliberately chose a design that wasn't on the market before. 12-inch spoke rims are very beautiful, but they also look very classic. This design is rather futuristic to look at, but personally, I really like it a lot. I was also one of the first to ride these rims for an extended period of time. The 12-inch as well as the 13-inch rim can be installed in front and rear of Vespa GTS models. The 13-inch models also fit a Piaggio MP3, and the 12-inch rims fit a Giuliera Foco. No additional mounting material is required for the front. For the rear, you need the special centering bush. And for ABS models, our mounting kit for ABS models. The main feature, especially with the 13-inch rim, is the registration-free use. The rims can be installed plug and play, which is a first on the market to date. Even in the most varied of tire variations. At the rear, the wider rims allows 140mm tires to be installed very easily. A maximum of 140/60/12 tires are possible for the 12-inch rim and 140/60/13 tires for the 13-inch rim. The color variations range from a single color version and a milled over single color version to models with color applications. Here, I would like to particularly emphasize the yellow color that is based on the Supertech. Here, I would like to particularly emphasize the yellow color that is based on the Supertech yellow. We always talk about registration-free use of the rims, but what does ABE really mean? ABE is the German abbreviation for General Operating Permit. Since 2014, SiP Scooter Shop has been awarded the status of an official manufacturer by the Federal Motor Transport Authority. By fulfilling certain criteria and tests, this verification allows us to issue products with a homologation. The 12-inch rim as well as the 13-inch rim comply with the ETRTO rim standard. Internally, we are forced to act, and that is also our ambition, to check these rims with every delivery. We do not check 100% of the delivered batch, but only a certain percentage. We check the construction dimensions for correctness, carry out an installation test and an assembly test, as well as a driving test. Some of the delivered rims are sent externally to a laboratory, where rotary bending tests and material testing are carried out. This guarantees you safe use in traffic. I was one of the first to be able to drive this rim in the prototype version for a long time. I was riding mountain passes with it. I was riding the rim to Corsica and back. And I have to say that in addition to the design, I am incredibly enthusiastic about the handling. I don't think you can judge driving behavior compared to other rims. But I can emphasize that we really went into a stress test here with a two-man operation. We ran the rim over the curb and whatnot, and personally, I like the rim very much because it withstood all of this without any problems. I hope you like the rim too. Go to the shop, order it, drive it, have fun with it.